So today we have the NSU High School Art Workshop and Exhibition. We have about 165 students from all over the state here, and they are participating in workshops. So this workshop that I'm presenting is on jelly arts printmaking. Every one of our studios has got our professors are teaching different courses. So it's a great opportunity for schools to come and visit our campus, get a chance to do hands-on activities and workshops, and meet our faculty.
Super fun. I love getting to see this campus, and so far at our first session it has been really fun.
Yeah, it's very eye-opening into like what it would be like to come here, and it's like very fun to get to like be around a new group of people and learn stuff that you'd learn at like a college level.